Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here's another new code. Watch out and take care.
The beautiful Fumino Satsuki. Code JUQ711. Released on May 28, 2024. And it has 120 minutes watch time. The story is about beautiful girl and her former instructor. The girl works at a coffee shop. Apparently, at night, the girl works as a health service provider. So, one night, when the girl went to the room, the girl was surprised who's the person called her, and it was her former instructor. However, the girl cannot do anything but to serve her client. So, while they are at the room, they spent quality time together and the wonderful story begun.
Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notification for new codes. Thank you for watching.